So let's say you're locating a house and you're telling the client, I'm going to give you X, but then you turn around and you sell it for Y. Is there a specific formula? Is there a specific percentage that you want to do, or it doesn't make sense? Or is it just kind of a gut feel?
Oh, no, never buy real estate with your gut. I'll just say that right now. No, it has to be about the numbers. It has to be logical. It has to make sense. And you will find different properties in different conditions. Like I said, you might find one that's just great and move in ready, and they just need out. And those are properties offer in a couple of ways. Offer to buy it and then assign the contract, under contract and assign the contract. And there's no repairs required. You can offer them a little bit more. You could if it needs $1,000 worth of work. But you still want to make sure you're making your income, and also that you're making sure the person who buys it, the investor, is making, because they're not going to buy it if there's no money in it for them either. And then it's just going to sit there. The thing that I hear a lot is that wholesalers suck all the money out of the deal. And maybe they do. I don't.
Maybe they do.
I don't. I usually charge a small fee. I usually price the property. For example, the Cottonwood Heights townhouse I was telling you about. I priced it at 68% of retail at that time. I offered him 68%. It needed, I would say, easily $100,000 worth of work because it had dogs in it.
Wow.
He had two others that were exactly the same in the same location, right at the mouth of Cottonwood Canyon up to the ski resort, where they don't allow Airbnbs. and those better, they still needed some work. But I was able to get all of them at the one at 65% of retail and the other two at 68%. And then the end buyer, I believe, got them for 70. I took a very small fee and they got them for 70% of the actual. So
there's still room for the investor to actually do the improvements, and if they decide to fix or flip or hold on to, they were in a good position.
Exactly. And they did flip them. And they're beautiful and they're amazing. And I just saw one of them back on the market. But,
so if we have anybody watching this or want to know about wholesaling or education of this, how does someone reach out to you and say, hey, I don't want to list my house, but I want to get rid of it. How do I contact you?
Okay. Well, as I mentioned, I am with Real Broker, but if you don't want real estate listings involved and real estate commissions on both sides involved, you can call me. My number is 719-459-7898. I am your empowerment agent with Real Broker here in Utah. I am licensed. And if you don't want to list it and you want to wholesale it, or you want to have someone flip it or buy it and rent it and it's in good shape, whatever it is that you need to do, we've also done some seller financing. I'm very creative. And we always follow the law. And I know that with seller financing, there's some things taking place right now because apparently it's been used in the past as other things to be dishonest with the tax commission, apparently, and with other places. And they're trying to stop laundering money through seller financing, which I'm really smart about real estate. I know how to do real estate. I do not know how to launder money. So do not ask me to do that with your property.